So we are asked to find dy dx if y equal to x cos x. So we are differentiating with respect to x, and first of all we need to understand that this is a product rule. X is multiplying cos x. So when differentiating, product rule states product rule of uv will give us keep u constant and differentiate v plus differentiate u while keeping v constant. From here now, our u is equal to x and our v is equal to cos x. If we are asked to differentiate u, that's d du will give us what? 1, and dv dx, sorry, so this is du dx, and dv dx will give us minus sine x. Yes, differentiating cos x, we have minus sine x. So applying this product rule, we have our u as x and our v prime as minus sine x, plus we have our u prime as 1 and our v, keeping it constant, is cos x. So this become, opening this, we have minus s sine x plus cos x. So the answer becomes, let's reverse this, we have cos x minus s sine x.